Let's look at an example from 7H. Previously we've looked at how do we write transformations in terms of matrices, and for 7H we've been actually given a transformation matrix and then asked to apply that to a given equation. So this first one, we've been given the transformation matrix 4, 0, 0, negative 2, and then asked to apply that to the equation y equals x cubed plus 2x. The first step would be to write out your matrix equation. So I would have the transformation matrix being multiplied by the original xy, and that is going to equal our image of x and our image of y. When we multiply these two, we're going to get the matrix 4x and negative 2y, which is equal to our image. So from here, we want to try and apply this to our image notation. So if I've got the equation 4x equals the image of x, then rearranging to get x by itself, I get 1/4 of the image of x. And then for the y, I have negative 2y equals the image of y. So then I move the negative 2 across, I get negative 1/2 y dash. Last step is to go to our original equation, which was y equals x cubed plus 2x, and now I'm going to be subbing in these new values. So for y, I'm going to put in negative 1/2 y dash, our image, and then for x, I'm just going to write this as x dash on 4, all cubed, plus 2 times x dash on 4. And then if we want to try and get this into standard form where we've got the y's by itself, that means I'm going to have to times this whole thing by negative 2. So I'm going to get y dash equals negative 2 times x dash on 4 cubed minus 4 lots of x dash on 4. And then that will cancel that out. So that would become, let's keep that in the brackets there. And then negative 4 will cancel off with that 4 there, so we'll get minus x dash. And the last step, if we can tidy this up a little bit more, we could expand those out. So 4 cubed would be 64. So that's on 64, we get x cubed, or x dash cubed, 64, so that's times by negative 2, which would give us negative x dash cubed on 32, and minus our x dash. So our final answer, remember we just lose the little dashes. So our final answer would be y equals negative x cubed on 32 minus x.